The scooter backer has a very relaxed body posture and is usually slouching with their back pressed against the back of the client chair. If you don't have the client bring the chair closer to the nail table, you're going to be making simple hand adjustments throughout this service like you will see here. Without the Ergo Lift, you are constantly battling getting your hand under the client hand to pull the client forward. By using the Ergo Lift, you have complete control over this body posture. You can see how relaxed the opposite hand gets while I'm working on one of the hands. It slides back some, and that is fine because I don't really want those fingers in my way while I'm working, especially during the filing process. When it's time to work on the opposite hand, a gentle tug forward on the middle finger or the pinky finger is all I need to put her right where I need her to be. Time is money, and by eliminating the hand position struggle, you can shave off at least 10 to 15 minutes by using the Ergo Lift. You now have complete control over the scooter backer.